Today we're going to announce the winner from the latest Dayton Audio giveaway and tell you about this month's giveaway going on now. If you're a fan of audio and DIY speaker building, you may want to check out a podcast called Sound Advice. These three YouTubers are getting together every week to discuss all things audio. Recently, they competed against each other to see who could put together the best looking speaker kit from Parts Express, and they all came out exceptionally well. Be sure to subscribe to their respective channels to see more upcoming content and start listening to Sound Advice weekly. DS18's line of mobile audio amps, drivers, and accessories deliver professional fidelity and output through innovative designs. Headquartered in Miami, Florida, DS18's creative and progressive approach to product design ensures excellent quality and pricing while keeping up with the latest trends and technology. Parts Express would like to welcome DS18 to our regular list of quality products. Check them out. If you're tired of shelling out cash every time a cable breaks or starts giving you issues, maybe it's time you learn a little bit about cable construction. We put together a great page for you to learn about building your own cables and all the benefits that come with it. Head over now, the link is in the description of this video. With spring officially here, we knew you all were going to want some outdoor speakers. This giveaway includes a pair of indoor-outdoor pendant speakers, a 100-watt 2.1 Class D Bluetooth amplifier, an 8-inch outdoor burial subwoofer that has 180 watts of power, and 100 feet of outdoor burial wire to get it all hooked up. The winner of this $400 prize package is Andrew S. from Centerton, Arkansas. Congratulations, Andrew. We'll be in touch soon. Now, earlier, we introduced a new brand to the Parts Express lineup, and we're now pleased to announce our next giveaway is a $500 DS18 shopping spree. That's right. If you win, you get $500 worth of Parts Express credit to put towards any DS18 products on our site. Thank you, DS18, for the giveaway, and good luck to everyone who enters. We'll see you next month.